بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وصلى الله على النبي الأمي الكريم واعلم أن للتوحيد أربع مراتب إحداها حصر وجوب الوجود فيه تعالى فلا يكون غيره واجبا، والثانية حصر خلق العرش والسماوات والأرض وسائر الجواهر فيه تعالى، وهاتان المرتبتان لم تبحث الكتب الإلهية عنهما، ولم يخالف فيهما مشرك العرب ولا اليهود ولا النصارى، بل القرآن العظيم ناص على أنهما من المقدمات المسلمة عندهم. والثالثة حصر تدبير السماوات والأرض وما بينهما فيه تعالى. والرابعة أنه لا يستحق غيره العبادة، وهما متشابكتان متلازمتان لربط الطبيعي بينهما.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وصلى الله على النبي الكريم محمد وآله وأصحابه أجمعين. So Imam Rahmatullahi alayhi, he has started this chapter with the unwan or heading Mabhasul Birr wal Ithm, that this chapter is regarding good and bad, or good deed and sin. And then regarding good deed, he said that these are 4 types. And regarding sin also, he said that that is also 4 types. And then after that, he started with the subchapter of Tawheed, that Tawheed is the base and foundation of every and all good. If belief of Tawheed is not there, so any good deeds will lose its value. It will not have any value in the eyes of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Now you have belief in Tawheed, La ilaha illallah, and belief in Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, Muhammadur Rasulullah. So you said this kalima. Now if you are doing that much small good deeds, that is valuable in the eyes of Allah, because already you are registered with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala by saying that kalima la ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. So now you are a citizen of Islam. When you are a citizen of Islam, so whatever you are doing, you are eligible for your wages. Yes? And most of the time, you are not doing, but you are receiving stimulus check also. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is blessing you because you are citizen. There are a lot of Mexicans who did, for example, they do not have proper documents. So they were also receiving stimulus checks. They were not receiving. Got it? At least they should have some document, some type of registration. Got it? So anyhow, I am trying to make you to understand that Tawheed is just like citizenship of Islam. So you are recognized. Now whatever good you will do, you would be rewarded for that. And if not, so then Allah says, وَقَدِمْنَا إِلَى مَا عَمِلُوا مِنْ عَمَلٍ فَجَعَلْنَاهُ هَبَاءً مَنْثُورًا. That you will be doing good deeds, but as you are not registered with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, so on the day of judgment, we will throw away all your good deeds. That it does not have any value. Got it? Because you are a wanted guy. You are what? A wanted guy. Put other actions on the side. First of all, the wanted guy. You don't have documents. Yes, you have to be deported. Where? To the hellfire. Yes, deportation is to hellfire. Where is deportation? Yes, to the hellfire. Got it? Or not? And that's why people are too much afraid of the hellfire, because they think that this country is Jannah. If they will send us back home, that is just like the hellfire. Yes, and that's why the Afghanis, they were hanging with the aeroplanes. Yes, to run out of the hellfire and to go to Jannah. Yes. So anyhow, now Tawheed is the base. So Imam Rahmatullahi alayhi says why it is the base. Because that is submission to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And that is the actual tadbir ilmi. And tadbir ilmi, that is much more important because tadbir amali is based upon tadbir ilmi. First you have to know a thing, then you will practice. If you do not know, so what you practice then? Got it? Or not it? So now Imam Rahmatullahi alayhi says that Tawheed has 4 stages. Number 1, that there is only one entity who is Wajibul Wujud. Wajibul Wujud means since ever, forever. And he is because of himself. That is Wajibul Wujud. His wujud and existence is must. As far as all of us, the heavens, the earth, the mountain, the ocean, just name it. The nebula, the galaxy, whatever the James Webb telescope has sent now, all these things are mumkinul wujud, may be or may not be. Nothing happened. Yes, but Allah must be there. His existence is must, and all these things they are not must. Sometime back these things were not in existence. Allah was there. And sometime later, all these things will vanish, but Allah will be there. كل من عليها فان
ويبقى وجه ربك ذو الجلال
ويبقى وجه ربك ذو الجلال والإكرام. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says everything in this world is mortal. It will vanish. Only the entity of your Lord, it will stand still. Because he is wajibul wujud. So in Tawheed, first of all, this is the first stage. To believe in one entity that is wajibul wujud. And the second one, that there are jawahir, major things, are the basic elements, and the heavens and the earth. So belief in Tawheed means that you must believe that Allah is the only creator of all these jawahir and elements, and He is the creator of the heavens and the earth. Got it? So how many elements are there in the world? 92. Who created that? And look, as Allah created the elements, 92. So you cannot increase it. The whole world can increase 1 to that 92, that let's make it 93. Yes, whatever they will do, they can make a combination of 2, but they cannot increase a third one or another one. Got it? So Imam Rahmatullahi alayhi says that the basic elements, the heavens and the earth, that is the Tawheed and its requirement, that has been created by Allah alone. Now, as these two things are known and recognized logically, intellectually, and reasonably, through logic, intellect, and reason, these two are well known. So that's why neither Quran is discussing that in detail, nor Tawrat has detailed it, nor Injil has detailed it, nor any other divine book. Because something which is proven and recognized, there is no need of discussion. There is no need of discussion and lengthy debate, only a reference. So Quran is giving a reference only. Inna fi khalqi samawati wal ard, in the creation of the heaven and the earth. Yes, the ayat li ulil albab. There are signs for people who have the core of aql. So these are references. They are what? And if these are known and recognized, so Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is arguing through that these are known to all of you. So based on that, I am saying. Got it? So neither the mushrikeen denied that, nor Yahud and nor Nasara. Three types of kafir and disbelievers were at the time of the Nuzul Quran: mushrikeen, Yahud and Nasara. And number 3, that the heaven and the earth and whatsoever is therein so that is only the planning of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah plans all that, which is called tadbir. Which is called tadbir. So its tadbir is there in the hands of Allah alone. And number 4, that there is none to be worshipped but only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Now these last two, number 3 and number 4, they are interconnected to one another. To such an extent, like look, if you are putting your fingers inside the fingers, that's called ishtibak. It's called what?
Ishtibak.
Ishtibak, like this. So these two are with one another like this, hugging one another, coming together, going together. And thus is happened that those who believed in tadbir and planning for somebody else, so that belief took them towards worshipping the same entity. So some people, they say that things in this world, these are happening because of stars. Because of what? Stars, or because of sun, or because of moon, or because of the angels, or because of the jinn, or because of some pious people. So what they did, they started worshipping the sun, worshipping the moon, worshipping the stars, the angels, the jinn, the pious people, going to their qabr, asking them to grant them their needs and to remove their mashakil. Yes or not? We are doing that, the Muslims are not. Why? Because we believe that they plans. We believe that they, oh bro, this planning belongs to Allah only. وَإِن يَمْسَسْكَ اللَّهُ بِضُرٍّ فَلَا كَاشِفَ لَهُ إِلَّا هُوَ. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, if any harm touched you, nobody can remove it. فَلَا كَاشِفَ لَهُ وَإِن يُرِدْكَ بِخَيْرٍ فَلَا رَادَّ لِفَضْلِهِ. And if Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is giving you something good, nobody can stop it. You will have it. Got it? So why you are running here and there? Why you are running here and that is actually the weakness of aqidah, or that is jahalat. That is what? That is jahalat and ignorance. So because of ignorance, we are running here and here. Some of them, they are asking jinn to help them. Some of them, they are asking the angels to help them. Some of them, they are asking the stars and the, yes. So if you will go to all these fabricated religions, yes, so you will find them that they are believing in different things. For example, no rain is falling. So if you are in need of rain, got it? So physical means and sources are there, but if the rain in a mantiqa or in a zone, it happens because the situation is okay, but it does not fall. So what you will say? Oh, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala send us rain. Oh, Allah send us rain. But those who are believing in the tasarrufat of others are different tawahumat and superstitions. Got it? So one Hindu monk, he married a tree. Yes, that to marry this type of tree, it will cause us rain. Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. And sometimes, for certain things, they are making a proper marriage of two dogs, male and female, that this will give us this mercy. Got it? So when plannings are believed in creature, so then for sure their worship starts. And that's why you will see different type of statues there in their worship place. The dogs, the lions, the bears, the snakes, the cobras, the rattles, whatever, just name it. Yeah, because they believe that these are mutashrifin, they are taking care of a lot of things. Got it? So Imam Rahmatullah alayhi said that no, under al-Tawheed arba' maratib. For Tawheed there are 4 martaba and 4 stages. Ihdaha, the first one. Hasru wujub al-wujudi fihi ta'ala. That must existence, that is only for Allah. Must existence, that is only for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. فَلَا يَكُونُ غَيْرُ وَاجِبًا. So no any other entity will be wajib al-wujud, that his existence is must. والثانية, and the second stage is حصر خلق العرش والسماوات والأرض وصائر الجواهر فيه تعالى. That the arsh, the heaven, the earth and all the elements, these have been created by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala alone. وهاتان المرتبتان, and these 2 stages لم تبحث الكتب الإلهية عنهما, that the ilahi or divine books, they have not debated and discussed it. ولم يخالف فيهما, and in these 2 stages there is no any khilaf and difference of mushriku al-Arab, of the mushrikeen of Arab, ولا اليهود ولا النصارى, nor of Yahud and Nasara. بل القرآن العظيم ناس نص ينص نصا, expressing. Nas mean? Expressing. بل القرآن العظيم ناس على أنما من المقدمات المسلمة عندهم. But the Holy Quran or the Great Quran expressed that these 2 are from those muqaddimat, are those issues al-musallamati عندهم, which has been recognized near them as well, near mushrikeen and Yahud and Nasara. والثالث, and the third stage is حصر تدبير السماوات والأرض وما بينهما فيه تعالى, that who is planning every single atom in this world, in the heaven and the earth and whatsoever there is, only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. والرابعة, and the 4th one is أنه لا يستحق غيره العبادة, that nobody else he is deserving any ibadat and worship. وهما متشابكتان متلازمتان, and these 2, the 3rd and the 4th, they are mutashabik and mutalazim, interlinked with one another like this. لربط طبيعي بينهما, because there is a natural connection between these 2, that when you believe in someone that he is mudabbir, for sure you will show him lot of respect, and that respect will be in shape of ibadah. So that's why these 2 are interconnected like this. وصلى الله تعالى على خير خلقه محمد وآله وصحبه أجمعين.